Welcome back, everybody. As you guys can see here, we have the AT4 on the hoist here, and we're going to be installing these LASFIT LED bulbs for the license plate. And as you guys can see on this truck here, very similar setup to the ZR2. You can see the little clip there where the bulb will go into, and it just fits. It's hard to see, but it fits right up into it's surrounded by a gray exterior there. It's the clip where the light goes into, and again for the license plate bulbs right there, right there. So we got it up on the hoist. These are the LED bulbs from LASFIT, and super bright. Like, these bulbs are really good quality, and they are crazy bright. So we'll get these in, we'll show you how much of a difference it makes, because it makes a world of difference. Really improves the look and the quality of the truck from the exterior. So with that being said, we will start getting these bulbs into the little clip there, and then we'll put it in, and then we'll show you what that looks like from the exterior. And like I said, they light up right there and right there. But yeah, if your license plate's dirty or anything like that, it really brightens it up. I'll show you just on this side here. There's no light, so it's gonna be hard to see, but anyways, it looks the same just like on the other side. So we'll get these installed and we'll give you an update. Okay, so we're unlocking the truck here, and here's the difference. There's the LASFIT LED bulb, and this is in the daytime, super bright. And then we come over here, guys, that was the old bulb. And you just unlock it again. That is the old bulb there, which is nothing. You can see the difference right there. Guys, that at night, this one is so much brighter. And it's a white light, not a warm white like that one. It's a bright white. You can see the difference right there. Huge difference, huge difference. And at night, that difference is monumental. So now we'll get the other one in. We'll show you what both of them look like in the day, and then we'll give you a night view as well. Zoom out again, show you the comparison. There's the comparison there. There it is, guys. We'll show you what it looks like with both of them in, and then we'll show you what it looks like at night as well. We'll give you that update now. Okay, so we have both the lights in, and you can see just how bright that is, and that's in the daytime with no, yeah, we're all in a fully lighted environment, but you guys can see how bright that is just in the daytime. So again, LASFIT killed it with these, really. They're super bright. But yeah, it's a bit of a squeeze to get in there, to get right up in where those bulbs are. It is pretty narrow. It's not the easiest thing. You guys can kind of see where it's lighting up there. That's where you got to get into. So it's a bit of a tight squeeze to get in there, but once it's in, it's not difficult to install or anything. It's just difficult to get your hand in there with the trailer hitch assembly. But yeah, guys, looks really nice, lit right up, and yeah, it looks really good. So that is what it looks like. We'll give you an update as well at night to show you the full LEDs, all the LEDs working together with the LED license plate lights, just to bring it all, tie it all in. So we'll show you what it looks like at night. All right, guys, so we're back here at nighttime, as we promised, with our 2022 Sierra AT4, and we have installed the lights from LASFIT. So let's take a look at what they look like here with the unlocking sequence. So as you guys can see now, we have a full LED rear end. You have the tail lights, the reverse lights there, you can see that. we have, and then you have the license plate lights as well from LASFIT. And look at how bright those lights are. As you can see, they light up the license plate, and you even get a nice, the surrounding area is lit up as well, which is a huge difference from the old halogen bulbs. Let's just turn it on again. And guys, we highly recommend these bulbs from LASFIT. They're great quality. As you can see, they're very bright, and you just can't beat them compared to those terrible original bulbs. All right, guys, so that will wrap up today's video. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of these LED bulbs from LASFIT, either the reverse lights or the license plate lights, you guys can go down in our description. There will be a link there to LASFIT's website, and you guys can get yourself some of these bulbs. As we said, they're amazing, and we highly recommend them. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys like the bulbs or have any opinion on them, drop it in the comments down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.